how to quickly take notes on any screen with the S Pen. So you can see here, if I tap on the screen, it will open up the note ready for me to start writing. So to use this feature, we must first turn it on. So let me close this one first. Okay, so first let's return back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on advanced features. After that, tap on S Pen. Then in here, we scroll down and then turn on quick notes. So tap on the quick notes toggle button to switch it on. After that, on any screen, all you have to do is press and hold on the button. So press and hold on the S Pen button and tap on the screen twice. And this will allow you to open up the quick notes ready for you to start writing. So quick note. Then we can go down here and start writing on any screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.